Good evening, guys. So, uh, as far as science and technology is concerned, UPSC has saved you by not asking too many questions from science and technology. This year, UPSC has more or less 10 to 12 questions being asked from science and technology. And this here I go with this question. Here it goes. Question number 62. The statement says many chewing gums found in the market are considered a source of environmental pollution. Statement second, many chewing gums contain plastic as a gum base. And here the answer is A, because most of these chewing gums, or many of these chewing gums, they are what is the basic material? Basic material nothing but the plastics. So that plastic is polyvinyl acetate. So the answer A is the correct explanation. 2. Now the question number 77. So with reference to perfluoroalkali and polyfluoroalkyl substance that are used in making many consumer products, consider the following statements, so and so. Right. So all these answer options are correct. That is, this is nothing but the P found to be widespread in drinking water, or what we can say that is PFAS by accumulation in the animal bodies, right? So slowly of that particular substance goes increase in that animal, right? Now question 1. This is really an unusual questions, because if you see the 3 answer options, like for example, radio thermoelectric generators. One experiment was there. In fact, NASA has launched one mission. You might have heard about the mission Voyager. Right. So this Voyager mission, in that Voyager mission, 1 minute. In that Voyager mission, NASA has used this thermoelectric generator. Now, this thermoelectric generator, basically, that was based on radioactive isotopes. So, this radioisotopes actually is neither fusion reactor nor fission kind of reactor. A process of natural uranium, that is plutonium-238. But this is really surprising option. If I to add, or I would like to compute at option number 3, radio thermoelectric generator plutonium, which is byproduct of weapon development. In fact, I would like to share one point here, that natural uranium is not the byproduct. In fact, with the help of natural uranium or uranium-238, you can use these uranium to breed 239, that is plutonium-239. So there is a little bit confusion about these questions, but if you go with the answer options and have with then option E is the right option. Here, question number 9. The question 92, that the giant stars live much longer, and the statement second, compared to the dwarf stars have greater rate of nuclear reaction. Here I would like to bring, whenever a star runs out of its hydrogen fuel energy, the size of that star goes on and it becomes dwarf. But the problem is, once that stars become dwarfs, the shelf life of that star, by GS stars live much longer than dwarf star. This statement is a wrong, right? As usual, it says compared to dwarf star, giant stars have a greater rate of nuclear reaction, right? So, giant star means why it has a greater rate of nuclear reactions, because it has concentration or high content of hydrogen fuel, right? So question number 93, right? So which one of the following is synthesized in human body that dilates the blood vessel and increase the blood flow? Here nitric oxide is the right answer, and you will be surprised, nitric oxide actually dilates your vessel, it puts down your, or it decreases the blood pressure, and you will be surprised if you have enough number of or enough amount of beats, it will help you to reduce blood pressure also. So the answer option A is the right answer option. Question number 94, the question goes like this: identification of narcotics on passenger at airports or in aircraft, monitoring of precipitation, tracking the migration of animals, and how many of about these activities can be radars used. What is the long form of radar? Radar means radio imaging, radio detection and imaging. And if you talk about all these answer options, identification of narcotics and all these things, you will get the answer that all these applications we can do with these radars, right? So with the help of or by detecting all these radio frequencies, you can carry out all those operations, right? So this is a question number 96, right? Now then the question number 97, that which one of the following is an exhaust pipe emission from fuel cell electricals powered by hydrogen? Whenever you use hydrogen, the outcome of that hydrogen or outcome of that process is ultimately the water, because whenever you use water, and that's why whenever you use water or hydrogen in the fuel or green, because it generates only water. So this is what question 97. Question number 98. Question number 98. 1 minute. 96, 97. Okay. So question number 98, right? So recently the term pumped storage hydropower is actually and appropriately discussed in the context which one of the following? The answer option is a C, that is long duration energy storage. It's a kind of technology when two reservoirs they are constructed. One is at down level, one is the up level, and whenever the energy demand is more, then the turbines they are being rotated by inflow of the water, and whenever the energy demand goes down, again the reverse happens, and this is how it goes, and that's why this is how the mechanism goes, and that's why the answer option 3 is a right answer option, that this particular pump hydroelectric storage is also known as green battery. This is an alternative term being used to denote these devices, right? So question number 99, membrane bioreactors are often discussed in the context of, whenever a term says membrane, it's almost or you can say it is related to filtration, it is related to some sort of filtration mechanism, and it says membrane bioreactors often discussed in the context. So if you go with this answer option, then answer option D is the right answer option, because these membrane bioreactors is being used, or these are being used to treat the wastewater generated by the municipalities and municipal corporation, right? So this is what question number 99. Okay, so this is all. Thank you.